Hello everyone, I'm Kristen Edmunds. Welcome to Auburn Bay. This home has been beautifully maintained by its original owners, and the second you walk in, it just feels like home. The layout here is fantastic. You've got this large U-shaped kitchen, a massive island in the middle, and so much functional space for everyday life and entertaining. Upstairs, there's a huge bonus room, which is perfect for movie nights, a kid's play space, or just another area to relax. And downstairs, you've got a fully finished walkout basement, which gives this home so much flexibility for families. The home also has air conditioning, and you can really feel the pride of ownership throughout. And the location here in Auburn Bay is tough to beat. You're close to the lake, South Health campus, shopping, restaurants, and tons of nearby amenities. If you've been looking for a true family home in one of Calgary's most desirable lake communities, this one is absolutely worth seeing. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to show you this home in person.